Hi, I'm Mia St. Clair here, and I'm with Mia6899, and I'm part of the new collab channel called 7AG Lovers. This week's theme is introducing yourself, but before I start, I'm Miss Friday, but I missed Friday yesterday because I was sick and I had the flu, and if I get any sicker, this is why I'm making my video on Saturday. So just so you know, that's why I'm doing my video today. So, first up is my favorite color. I'm a freak for purple. Purple, I love purple. It's just awesome. I have a purple frame, a purple top, even purple shoes. Purple is awesome. Okay, so my next fact is that I'm a penguin person. I love penguins. If I had a pet, I'd pick a penguin. They're awesome. Okay, so I work at the skate club. I'm earning money for a pair of skates because I love ice skating, but unfortunately right now I don't have any ice skates, so that's why I'm working there. Also, my favorite movie is Alvin and the Chipmunks. It's awesome. It's my favorite movie ever. I love Theodore. It's really funny too. I've watched it about 1,000,000 times. Literally. Okay, so my next fact is that I have 2 sisters. Their names are Kit and Amanda. I really do love them. She does. Yes, I do. Now, get out. This is my video. Ow. Okay, now, my next fact is that I love Christmas. Santa Claus is awesome. I love Christmas. I'm a winter cold kind of person. And, I might be getting 3 more sisters, Krissa, Sonali, and Gwen, so watch out. Thanks for watching, and this was a little video about me for 7AG Lovers. And once again, I'm sorry I missed my video yesterday, Friday. I was really sick, you could probably tell by my voice. But I'm doing it today, so if I ever miss a video, I will be doing it on Saturday. If not Saturday, then Sunday. Okay, so that's all. Thanks for watching, and again, I'm sorry, so thanks for watching, and I'm Mia St. Clair, and this is Mia6899. Bye!